Ready, set.
Happy birthday to you. You ain't shit. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Carter. Happy birthday to you. That's the only Capri Sun you get.
This some shit you can't ignore. 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 They smell that gas way before I hit the door. It takes
get a full office shirt, especially if you have a cool office. You know?
Yeah, definitely.
I love a cool office. Google's office is sick.
Oh,
Took a
cool,
tour,
man.
Cool.
It's like you got a snap.
no matter what they say, though. Don't let it get to you, cause you know how the game go. Tell them, okay, yeah, I know. But keep applying pressure. If we gon' keep balling on these niggas, going tall on these niggas, showing off on these niggas, leaving all on these niggas, going loud with the game. We on the same thing, we just trying to campaign. Georgia, hey, look, yeah, been on my grind like some bad breaks.
Alright, man, we made it to our actual spots and our seats and stuff like that. You know, I came and got my hydration for the race. You know what I'm saying? You dig? Oh, this is smoking area. I ain't smoking no cigarettes since the army. But yeah, man, it looks exciting. Let's get ready to see what takes off. Oh, I'm dark as crap. There go the light. Let's go.
Jamie Garner, El Toro Loco. His opponent in the red lane, Bryce Kenny, Redcliffe. No.
I didn't realize they like are racing.
This is the
I got a whole new
of 2023. These two.
Oh no, he stalled up. Oh man. No, we team Grave Digger.
His opponent in the red lane, looking for racing win number 5 on the year from Kill Devil Hills, North Carolina, Adam Anderson, Grave Digger. It is an all North Carolina showdown between two of the fastest in the entire world. Let's go racing! Racing fans, there is Adam Anderson, Grave Digger.
Put your hands together for Michael Pagliarulo, Vendetta. Opportunity to score for Michael.
Wait, is this how it
You
works?
have less than 20 seconds on that clock.
I said
Oh,
that
he
it was
gotta get
one
flipped
of the
over like a
most
turtle.
difficult tricks in the sport, and you saw why right there. You're basically inducing a potential rollover situation. It's high risk, high reward, and there you can see for the first time here today your score from judgeszone.com. It was more risk than reward for Michael Pagliarulo, 3 points.
business marketing there. Yeah, you get one of them bags, it's okay. Go get you something. You see a band, a sticker, whatever. Don't be scared.
Score win. Good. 3, 2, 1, go.
They went on us at the door, and she choosing on the low. She take a flick. She see these diamonds on my wrist. I know she want. When she take a flick, she choosing hard on the group. Which one she want? When she take a flick.
They don't care at all. Nah, no HOA hit. All right, what's good? So we at Stone Mountain today for Carter's birthday is tomorrow, and he loves trains. So Stone Mountain offers a train ride. So we're here for that. Maybe a little picnic after. He got his homeboy Deuce in the building, aka my homeboy Saunders and Keisha. Cause I don't think I did a formal intro to this video yet. Outside of back when I went to the, oh man, I'm gonna ask Keisha. I don't remember that when we went to the, what was that, monster truck rally? I don't remember how long ago that was, but I still got the footage, so I might as well throw it in here. But yeah, come with me. Let's check it out. Gotta do a little land there. But I'm pretty sure you just head towards the mountain. Bro, that thing like a fiend, bro. I'm geeking. What bad hard? This Prada with it.
But this thing got damn LCM bad, boy. I don't know nothing about it.
Hello everyone, welcome aboard the Rockline Railroad. My name is Jalen. I am standing all the way here in the back, or switching seats of 89. Room number 2, please turn off. There, those bars are attached because this used to be a jail back when the court was open. That's right folks, it was a jail. And coming up on the left, you will see the town where we have our seasonal shows. There is not a show today, so we will not be making a stop here. But please visit us during our summer at the rock season for our very next show.
Oh no, what you gonna do? You want it? I don't know, man. Be looking around. It's crazy what you see. Yeah, I can have so much fun with that shit. I can slink it around.
That looked like something I could play with.
Down there on the ground looking stupid. Oh. Wait, they come out here? That'd be hard to pop out right here if you get some.
Set.
Happy birthday to you. You ain't shit. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Carter. Happy birthday to you. That's the only Capri Sun you get. What you gonna say?
Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Make sure you like, share, and